Let's try this again, shall we? Big boy here didn't push the record button. Hey guys, welcome back to Sharpshooter Inc., where we shoot you straight. We do reviews, unboxings, lots of collectibles. So if you guys like Funko Pops, Masters of the Universe, DC, Marvel, stuff like that, this is the channel for you. And guys, I'm always open to constructive criticism. If you see something that you would like to be on here, if you see something that, hey, maybe some constructive criticism that would help me improve, please let me know. I'm just getting started, man. I'm just trying to reach out and do something that I enjoy and share it with the world. So, without further ado, Zanini Box, September. The last one we did was from August. Has some good stuff. Oh, it had my my Superman Action Comics #1 trading card in there, and that was awesome. I love that. I had the Captain America pin. Hey, y'all check out that video. I'll try to put a card on at the end of this video, so if you haven't seen it, hey, check it out. So, Zanini Box. If you don't know what this box is, it is pins. Pins like lapel pins, pins you put in your backpack. Hot Topic has a lot of them. Anybody like Hot Topic? I love Hot Topic. They're Funko collectibles, or exclusives, sorry, not collectibles, exclusives. They don't really hold value that great. They kind of stay at the price you bought them at, except for maybe a couple of them. But I love them. I like the Diamond collection. I got quite a few of those Batgirl Diamond. Love it. That's one of my favorites. Harley Quinn, I got that one too in the Diamond. I love Harley Quinn. My daughter is crazy about Harley Quinn. Crazy about Harley Quinn. And sometimes I think that's probably not a very good influence. But hey, at least we're bonding over something, right? She loves superheroes the way her daddy does. Love you, Alexis. Love you, baby girl. Anyway, Zanini Box. Oh, speaking of Hot Topic, Jaws. That's one of my favorite pins. I got a Jaws pin that glows in the dark from there. Maybe I'll edit it into this video and show it to you, but it's awesome. I love autographs too. Any of y'all love autographs, collecting autographs? If so, hey, let me know. I have all kind of autographs. One of my favorite ones, speaking of Jaws, is I got one black and white from where they're shooting the first Jaws movie, and Steven Spielberg, he's kind of caught back, but he's laying in the mouth of Jaws. Bruce, the mechanical shark, in the mouth. I know it's fake and all, but man, I think my heart would still be a little bit pounded. But man, it's got him laid back in there, black and white, and he's just kind of, kicked back or some pose of that effect. And he's autographed by Steven Spielberg, and man, it's cool. It's one of my favorites in my collection. A few Nightmare on Elm Street, got a couple from Rocky, where he's fighting Drago, Rocky 4, Sylvester Stallone and Dolph Lundgren both signed it. Man, it's sweet. It's really good. Love stuff like that. Love it. A few of the Matrix. If y'all be interested in seeing that sometime, let me know. If any of y'all are collectors like I am, we love it when people take an interest in our collection. Okay, it's not really bragging or showing off. We just like to share it with others. It makes me happy. Yeah, I like to see other people happy. Make people feel good. Love that kind of stuff. So, if you would like to see that, let me know. Got tons of Superman, represent Superman. Daily Planet t-shirt going on here. I got this out of World's Finest box. I'm going to be doing a video about that one. I just got the Wonder Woman World's Finest box. This one from the last quarter. If you haven't seen those, you're going to be in for a treat, man. Those are sweet. Anyway, Zanini Box. Let's get to it. Did y'all see my last video? Alright, what do I do with my pocket knife? Anyway, my last video I did on the other Zanini Box. Oh, there we go. It was from August. This one is September. Cool. We got, let's look at the cheat sheet. They have different plans. You got your basic plan, which you get 3 pins. You go standard, you get 4. Premium, you get 5. I go with a premium. It's still only $20 a month. I mean, goodness gracious, that's cheap. It's like what, $4 a pin. You can't get them for that price at Hot Topic, that's for dang sure. You might get them from AliExpress, and sometimes they kind of, they not the hottest looking. Hey, I got some cool ones from AliExpress. Hey, check them out, you know. They're not too bad if you can wait a month or two to get them. So we got RoboCop, Homer, Grand Theft Auto 5, Hawk Girl, represent DC, and the Hulk. Everybody loves the Hulk, man. You gotta love the Hulk. Hulk's a cool character. So which one are we gonna start with? Well, how about this one? It's laying right in front of me. Grand Theft Auto. Let me see if there we go. Angle it out of that ring light there. Grand Theft Auto 5. Now, one thing I like about Zanini is they got some cool quality pens, and I mean, look at that. That's not bad at all. Not bad. I mean, that's the pen. The other is just a background here. Oh, yeah, check that out. It's nice. They're not flimsy. They're good quality. They're the same quality that you'd buy like a $8, $9, $10 pen from a store for. You know, and hey, it's cost you what? $4. All right, RoboCop. Love the original RoboCop movies. You know, I just really could not get in with a reboot. You know, Joe Kinnaman was pretty good. I mean, I like him as an actor. The Altered Carbon, Netflix. Check that out if y'all haven't seen it. What was the other one? Suicide Squad. He's good as Rick Flag on there. And he's doing quite a few other things too. Oops. A little rubber back fell off. And I can't hold on to nothing right now. That's why I also included in my membership the metal backs, because they don't fall off like that. These little rubber ones, man, they're pretty cool. But if I'm going to put it on something and I want it to stay, then I'm going to put the metal one on it with little springs, you know. Check that out. Sweet. Anyway, if y'all really like the reboot with RoboCop, hey, let me know. You might convince me to try to rewatch it again. I just really couldn't get into it that much. Anyway, Simpsons. Who likes the Simpsons? Man, that show's been on forever. Ever, right? I remember watching it at school. My parents were like, you don't need to be watching that. That's got foul language, which it did. You know, it was really kind of a bad influence for kids. But, you know, when you're a kid, you don't think about that kind of stuff. All my friends are watching it. I want to watch it. And anyway, Homer. Anybody got dads like Homer? My dad's not. I got a cool dad, man. I love my dad. I love my parents. I have a great relationship with my parents. You know, I know not a lot of people can really say that, but I do. Very fortunate, very blessed to have great, great supportive parents, man. Homer Simpson. What's your favorite Homer quote? Let me know. Hot Girl. I watched Legends, DC's Legends of Tomorrow. Man, they had a really good Hawk Girl on there. It was pretty cool, man. I really liked it. I like that show because, you know, I love all the DC CW shows, but with Legends, you can kind of mix it up. It's not, you know, the same thing, the same plot, with the same villain for a whole season. I mean, you can do what you want to with it. I was very sad to see that they let Brandon Routh and Courtney Ford go. I know they said their characters just came to an end or something like that, had fully developed, whatever. But man, love Brandon Routh. Great actor. Dylan Dog, y'all ever watch that? Good movie. Check it out. Superman Returns. Look, the plot and all that stuff may not have been the best. I still liked it, man. I love Superman. But he did an amazing job. Everybody compared him to Christopher Reeves because, let's face it, they do kind of favor, a little bit. But to be able to play both characters, Clark Kent and Kal-El, and do an amazing job and do it justice the way he did, it was amazing, man. Shout out to you, Brandon Routh, man. Loved it, man. Loved it. And thank you for the autograph from Heroes and Villains a few months back, or a couple years back. I had him, got to meet him. Awesome dude, man. He was just so nice and down to earth. and so is his wife, Courtney Ford. Both were absolutely amazing, but I got him to sign it was actually a Hot Topic exclusive with Clark Kent, from the original Superman with Christopher Reeve, where he's got his little top hat on, the glasses, and he's ripping open his shirt, I got him to sign that one. That one's pretty awesome. Matter of fact, let me go get it. I really want to share that with you. All right. I'm back. Y'all see that? If I can get it out of the reflection of that ring light. To Nathaniel Best, Brandon Routh, man. Super cool guy, man. Super cool guy. A lot of respect for him. He's done awesome as the Adam Ray Palmer. Man, check him out, man. Awesome dude. Anyway, moving on. Hawk Girl. Love it. DC Legends of Tomorrow. Check it out. Just got me a Hawkman figure today. It's pretty cool. All right, last one. Hulk. That is, that's really a pretty cool Hulk pin. Let's really take this off so we can look at it better.
What they want, Hulk smash. What they need, Hulk smash. I will never lose, I'm a beast. Hulk smash. If you want it, Hulk smash. Come and get it.
It's not bad at all. These pins are pretty nice. I like them. They're not, look like they just got thrown together or something like that. A lot of them are really detailed and they look good. They're not, kind of wanky, whatever you want to call it. All right, now for the trading cards. These are pretty cool. You always get like 3 comics, 3 movies, and then 3 video games. I like them. It might not be for everybody. But there's some of these, I wouldn't mind going to some conventions. But please let this old COVID thing pass so we can start going back to conventions. All right? Love to get some of these autographed. Look at this. Marvel. Secret Wars. That's my dog Sparky. Hey, Bubba. It's okay. Wolverine. Number 1. Chris Claremont, 1982. Action Comics number 2. 1938. We got Titanic. $1 Million Baby. That was a good one, $1 Million Baby. Hurt Locker. Look, I was in the Marines. Those types of movies, not really my thing, if you catch my drift. Not really my thing, let me tell you. But, what do you got here? Death Stranding. Have not played that game. If you have played that game and are a fan of it, let me know. This one, I have played quite a bit. Super Smash Bros. Brawl. Dude, that's an awesome game. It's fun. I love it. Oh, going back old school. Pitfall from Atari. That's a pretty cool game, too. Hey, y'all ever like the retro game, stuff like that? I got a Raspberry Pi Retro Pi on it. Oh, so much fun. So much fun. It's amazing, These days, you can download that stuff for little or nothing in no time. And back in the day, I was begging my mom for a $60 NES game or Super NES game or a Sega Genesis or 32X or... I had to have them all. I loved them. But man, that $60 a pop, sometimes more than that. And now, it's like a little of nothing to nothing, if you know what I mean. But hey, that's it for today. Love y'all. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. If you got any suggestions for me, man, I'm always open to them. All right? Peace. Love y'all. Have a good night.